What do we have now? Jelly gun. Let's open it. In each case, you have 3 of these boxes. In each box, you have 1 auto machine with 4 refills, each with its own effect. You also have a pair of safety glasses and instruction. The duration for each refill is anywhere between 40 to 50 seconds. Sneak peek. Assembling is easy. Just slide and click and make sure it's secure. It needs 4 AA batteries. Batteries are not included, so it would be a really good idea to have some available for your customers in your store. This yellow button right here can turn it on and off.